Good morning, everyone. I'm Jeff Hood with Hood Company Real Estate, powered by Keller Williams, #1 name in real estate. I hope you have a wonderful day. If we can help you with your real estate needs, check us out online at hoodcompanyhome.com.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather today.
Good morning to you, and thank you so much for stopping by Tennessee Valley Weather. I'm Ben Luna here in the Weather Center, wishing you a terrific day as you check out this forecast update. We have a lot to cover again over the course of this update this morning. I've searched for a dozen ways to say the same thing over. Simply put, it's going to be dangerously hot again today. Heat index values will soar well into the triple digits today. In fact, some of you could be looking at 110 degrees for the heat index value in parts of the Tennessee Valley. I'll go over all that with you. We'll talk about any relief in sight and rain chances all right here. By the way, this weather update comes to you as a service of our good friend Jeff Hood down at Hood Company Real Estate in Lawrenceburg. If you're looking to buy or sell your property, make sure you call Jeff and let him help you out. You won't find a better person to do so with. That is hoodcompanyhome.com. All right, with that said, let's hop right into it. Here's a look at satellite radar over the past 24 hours. And yesterday, not a lot happened around our region. Today, almost the same. We are keeping in the possibility for one or two of those little pop-up storms over parts of our area today, but still that activity few and far between. For the most part, sunshine with just a few clouds here and there, allowing temperatures to skyrocket as we head toward noon today. This is the model projection for today at lunchtime, and already 95 in Columbia, 91 in Lawrenceburg, 92 in Pulaski, 96 degrees in the Shoals metro area. You've got two major heat islands in our viewing area, Columbia and the Shoals, so that's why we expect them to be the warmest. So if you're in Lauderdale County or Murray County, the central part of either of those, be extra careful. On average, everyone else not far behind you, staying in the low to mid 90s for the midday. And then this afternoon, even warmer. We jump right up to the upper 90s for many of you. And now keep in mind, this is actual air temperature, okay? The heat index values, well into the triple digits. We're expecting heat index values today to approach 110, maybe even 111 in parts of the area, especially northwest Alabama and then west of the Tennessee River. So folks in Hardin County and then back over into Tishomingo County and points west, even though that's out of our coverage area, but West Tennessee, it's going to be scorching hot today. Now, not much is happening on Futurecast as we roll through the course of today and really even into tomorrow morning. However, we do pick up the possibility for a little bit of relief in the form of a weak cold front. Now, this is not going to be a major system to drop temperatures by any stretch of the imagination, but it is going to provide maybe a teeny tiny little dip in highs for a couple of days before we warm right back up as high pressure moves back into the area. This is also going to help us out with a chance for a few sprinkles here as we roll through Friday night and then into Saturday. I think we'll maintain the possibility for seeing again a few little spotty showers over parts of the area here into the weekend. But after that, things really start to dry out into next week. And that's going to set the stage for essentially repeating what we've had this week for another week. The dog days of summer, as we'll enter into August here, beginning actually today, and have the first full week of August next week. Those dog days, I can hear them barking in the backyard. Here's a look at your day builder forecast from Parks Lumber this afternoon. Hot, and just miserably hot. 97 degrees for the average high in the most part of our viewing area for today. Again, heat index values will soar well into the triples, so please be careful. Limit your time outside, check on the elderly, and watch the very young as well, because this is dangerously, potentially deadly heat. Now, as we continue to roll through the next few days, we are maintaining a chance for those hit and miss storms. Rain chances do, I think, go up a little bit into Saturday as that boundary gets close to the area, and that will linger here on Sunday, and then high pressure will start to move back in here early next week, and that's going to dry us out and keep things scorching hot. Again, look for highs back in the mid-90s here as soon as Monday. That's a check on your forecast. Kelly is here at noon, and Fred Gossage live at 5 on the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel.